What's up guys, this is Red Dust Tech. Today we're doing a different style of video. I'm going to show you how to set up an app icon in Android Studio. Alright, so first click on Project, add the image asset, and add the logo you want. Adjust the image so it fits shapes, and then click on the background layer. Here you will have all your settings to modify the background. In my case, the green part of the logo. Now open the Android manifest file and make sure that the name of your asset file matches that of your image asset, meaning that these two have to match. Alright, that's it for the video. You can see the final result behind me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.